finally time for a walk.
2023, walking time.
Going to Swainby.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then we're going to have a walk to the North York Moors.
And it's sunny.
This car coming up here, Jess?
What?
This car coming up here. Morning everyone. It is 2023, 2nd of January. We're off on a little walk. We've just packed up at Swainby, which is just down this road. We're going to head up the North York Moors, maybe go to Osmotherly, have a little spike to eat round the little reservoir there, and then head back, because the Middlesbrough match is on at 3. He's ahead in the way we're going. Panting after that one?
No.
I am.
I am there.
Oh, love. Like I said, 2nd of January, we've still got a few days left off work. Well, I actually don't know when I'm going back to work. When are you going back to work?
Whenever I feel like it.
A self-employed life, eh?
Maybe the 11th of January. That's when I've said I'm back in the office anyway.
Yeah, because might do a few days this week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, and then we're over to the Lake District on Friday till...
More walks, Friday until a Tuesday.
Yeah, more walks, more videos, hopefully some nice weather. There will be some nice weather.
There will be nice weather, all the nice weather. It's going to be sunny. Sunny and bright.
So yeah, there Friday till Tuesday, and back on Tuesday, and then I assume work will start for me again on Wednesday. It's been a nice break. Felt like a while, it felt like a long break actually. Not long had a week off due to a bad back, so I like a week off early part of December, and then back to work for like a week, and I think it was like a week and 2 days, and then off for, well, it's going to be like 3 weeks I think, so nice break. You're off all the time, aren't you? We're going over here, so just take care. So we've parked just down here somewhere in this little village. Not a bad place, the north there. And I don't know whether you can just see the sea right in the background over there.
I don't think that paper was relevant.
Let's have a look at this sign.
Yeah, that bit. Wish I was filming when you realised I was smart.
We're just trundling along nicely. We've been talking about a lot of stuff. It's been the topics of conversation. Our children, and how, you know, all the children are knackered in the...
Shut up. No, the new ones
Jess has taught me a song about radio waves and gamma waves. Do you remember that from science? We saw a dog.
I saw a few dogs actually.
There were a few dogs. Getting peckish now, mind.
It's nearly lunchtime, isn't it? We've got sandwiches and soup and cake, caterpillar cake. The best.
front, isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
So at the minute you're right at the edge of my screen. Are you in shot on that screen?
Like now?
Like
right
now,
at the
yeah.
edge, you can see like the my hair.
Can you see your face?
No,
No.
stops like
so
here.
you getting shot when you can see your full face. There.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I'm recording on the GoPro Hero 10 and it has like a little front screen, so you can obviously see yourself when you're recording like this, but the lens is much bigger than it actually represents on the front screen compared to the back screen, so that's what I was just testing there.
Testing.
I kind of knew it was, but I didn't know what the sort of what the I'm trying to say what the sort of angles were. Angles is probably the wrong word, but you know what I mean.
Lens coverage?
No. I don't really know. Might consult the Z-map.
Consult the map. A designated map reader is Mr. Wesley. Zoom. Ooh, 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 ooh. The sun is shining for me.
Yeah.
Oh, and we're going this way. Do, do,
Don't really know.
do. What is it, Wesley? Might have been the other way. I thought you were going to say your catchphrase. Oh, we're still going this way. Alright. The gamble didn't work out. Work that out. We're off.
I noticed it was dead small.
Why did they change it?
I don't. Probably because not many people could get up here.
It's the same difference from York as Durham.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it?
Close to here.
I think we've reached the sort of furthest point we're gonna get on our walk. We walked past the Lady Chapel, which was quite interesting. It was like a funny little church thing. Neither of us are religious in any stretch of the imagination, but it was cool. And oh, that's a cool house up there.
That is a cool house.
And we're gonna head back via like a different way, but it shouldn't take us as long, so we can stop off and have some scran. We're just walking up to have some lunch now, and it's extremely busy. This little village, Osmotherly, is much more popular than where we parked, hence where we parked.
Busy, and it's quite icy.
Busy, icy,
The
yeah.
road's very icy.
I would expect that the around the reservoir is going to be really busy as well, because it's quite like it's a good walk for kids and stuff. But yeah, hope to be there soon. Lunchtime. We've got soup, sandwiches, a flask of coffee, and some cake.
Sort your hair out, please.
Yeah, sort that out. Back on the way now. Had
Had a refuel.
sandwiches, cake, coffee, soup. Back on the way. Back on the path, and we're just going to head back.
Get back to the match.
Back to the back. We're going to head back to the car now. Probably take us about 30-40 minutes, something like that. Maybe a bit longer. I don't know. And yeah, a nice little walk out. We had the most sunlight we've had for about 3 weeks. It's been miserable.
Much vitamin D.
Yeah. North gloves on. It's cold.
Cold hands.
Thanks. I reckon you should jump in that water.
Alright.
Edit. So this is why you don't park here. All these cars that are parked on the verge have a fine like this one. That's why you park in Swainby, isn't it?
Yeah, like us.
There he is, there's the man. There's the parking ticket man. We found him. Just heading back to the car now. That's pretty much the end of our little video. What time is it? Is it just, I think it's just after 1. So we're gonna head back to the car. Probably takes about 1:15. Head back to the car. Oh, tissues. Yeah. Head back to the car. Takes about 10-15 minutes or so. And there's like a little was it like a self-serve milk thing on the way home that does like milkshakes and stuff. So we're gonna stop at that.
What flavour are you getting?
Special order, okay. Chocolate or banana, what do you think?
Oh, you like banana?
I do. I'm gonna get chocolate. Might actually film that a bit, but other than that, we're going to get home, and then the Middlesbrough match is on. We're playing Birmingham away, so hopefully we beat them. And yeah, that's our little trip to Swainby, our little walk on
First of 2023. Oh gosh.
first walk of 2023. Expect more to come, and yeah, see you soon.